So, anyway, hindi ko baguhin yung style ko dahil sa may mga taong ayaw ako.
I don't understand how you put everything inside out. You cannot take it off properly. What?
Han, can you just leave it alone?
What?
No one feel bad for me.
Cosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Good morning, everything! Nanonood kami ng TV. And, guys, maginaw. So, nag-ano lang ako, nag-edit. Hindi pa rin ako nagbihis. Bihis tayo mamaya. Nanibago pa rin kayo, di ba? Nanibago pa rin ako. And look who's the sweetest boy in the world. Laundry time. Alam nyo, wala akong tunguhan, guys. Pero, alam nyo ba kung anong ginawa ko? Naglagay ako ng kaunting makeup. Tignan ko kung anong hitsura kapag colored yung buhok, ganon, and then ganon, you know. Curiosity kills the cat. Oh my god. Maganda yung pagkaano sa buhok to. Maganda siya pero heart attack yung result kahapon. Kahapon ba yun? Anyway guys, so kaya nagbihis ako, nag-counting makeup. Hindi ako maliligo ngayon, bukas. So ang ginawa ko ngayong umaga is nagbanlaw-banlaw, nagtampisaw sa tubig para lang maghugas. Pero yung buhok, kailangan siyang kumapit talaga yung color bago natin hindi ba? Change color, girl. Oh my god, nanibago talaga ako. At saka, pag may kaunting foundation, ang naano ko na talaga is sobrang light ng mukha ko. As in, yun yung naobserbahan ko talaga kapag yung mga nagba-vlogger, mga vlogger na nag-change ng color ng buhok nila, yun yung naobserbahan ko sa ganon na parang yung mukha nagbago, hindi siya basta humahayag, umaano yung mukha kapag nagkukulor ng buhok. Kaya, yun. At saka, naglagay ng kaunting pink na lipstick. And then, itong white ko lips dito, Makati dito. For some reason, after putting itong lipstick na to, yung dito is pumula. And then, Makati. Iwan ko kung bakit. Alahan, the wind! Kakain lang kami ng lunch and we heat yung niluto ko na crunchy. Yun. Nilagay namin sa toaster oven. Hopefully. Oh yeah. Hala, Han, igumush, Han. Han. You said it will get crunchy. Kalimutan kong lutuin itong okra. Mamaya na lang ito pag dinner. Tommy love okra. No, he doesn't, guys. He really doesn't. But if I mixed it, I cut it in small pieces and mix it with stir fry, he ate it. Because he doesn't know. It's like a kid.
Yes, he does know, and he still doesn't like it.
And even he doesn't know, he still doesn't like it. He is like a kid that you have to hide the vegetables.
Yep.
Yeah, you have to kind of grind it, mix it with the meat. That's what they do over here, guys, with the kids. Like the kids that doesn't eat vegetables, they blend the vegetables and mix it with something like
Milkshake.
Somebody's hungry, Han. Roxy, you wanna go to the office? I'm gonna give you dry food. Your own dry food, okay, after we eat. Hala. There you go. Lunch natin. Han, come here now while it's still hot. Look at that. Crunchy. Mukbang tayo, guys. Konti lang. Short mukbang lang ito. Let's see how it tastes without the sauce. So, itry natin, okay? Notice! Notice, Han?
That's your opinion. That's because you just want me to try that sauce.
No taste. But it's really tender. Sarap eh. Honey.
We have a lot, but it's 90% negative. Everything, you know, everything. It's
Crunchy.
So think of that. So I said 17, and he gave me this. I just thought it was so incredible. I said,
Hi guys, so I guess andito pa kami sa bahay. Obviously, andito pa kami sa bahay. Kasi si Tami, hindi okay yung pakiramdam. Sabi niya maliligo na daw siya, nabangon na, nakatulog siya. I thought you're going to shower, honey. Bumalik, lumigid-ligid. Salit, mag-usap tayo. Usap lang tayo, ha? So, ito yan. Kahit yung bra ko, tinanggal ko na, mag-usap tayo. Meron lang akong ni-ano, guys. May hindi naman mga kaunting tao na iwan ko ha kung subscribers ba sila, ganon. Pero may mga magsasabi kasi na yung mga sinasabi ko sa vlog is gawa-gawa ko lang daw para daw sa views. Yung video na yun, yung about sa kay ipatulfo ako sa family ko. Kasi may mga taong hindi ako gusto and then magta-type sila na mga gano'n na para daw sa views, gawa-gawa ng storya, ganon. Kung matagal na kayo dito sa dito sa channel na to, ano talaga guys, open talaga ako. Open ko, sinasabi ko ganon. Pero I cut off a little bit tungkol sa mga alam nyo na. So, noon malala talaga. Pero alam nyo guys, paano hindi daw ito reality? Sabi yung reality TV, pero hindi reality kasi gawa-gawa daw. Excuse me ha, ginagawa ko tong vlogging. Akin naman ito, no? Choice ko to, no? Akin to. Ito yung pinipili ko. Sinasabi ko lang yung mga nangyayari, yung naramdaman ko, nasasaktan ako mga about sa, kung sino mga nakapalibot sa akin. Hindi man lahat yung mga tao nakapalibot sa akin, sinishare ko sila, pero mostly, family ko talaga, kasi sila family ko. Pero wag mong sasabihin na na gumagawa-gawa ako ng istorya. Akala daw niya na may problema kami sa asawa. Ano bang hinihintay mo? Yung nanonood ka at saka magmasaya ka kapag nag-aaway kami or may problema kami mag-asawa. Alam nyo, yung ano ko din yon, kasi yung about patulfo ako ng family ko. 'Di ba nasabi ko na nananaginip ako? Sinabi ko kay Tami yung nanaginip ako, and then sinishare ko sa inyo, and then sinasabi mo na ginagawa-gawa ko yung story na yun. Excuse me ha, kung ano yung para, ikaw na lang yung managinip, kung ano para malalaman natin kung ano yung panaginip mo, hindi ganun. Nanaginip ako, ganun yung panaginip ko eh. Iwan ko kung bakit, pero excuse me, hindi po yun gawa-gawang istorya. Para lang maka-views. Well, nagbablog ako, masaya ako. Pag may views, pag walang views, masaya pa rin ako kasi nag-i-enjoy naman ako sa ginagawa ko, guys. So, hindi po yun gawa-gawa. And anyway, i-continue ko lang, ipagpatuloy ko lang, guys, yung about sa kay tulfo-tulfo. Iwan ko, sinabi ng kapatid ko na sinabi ng mama ko, sinulong daw sila doon na patulpo daw ako, sinabihan ako, patulpo daw ako ng kapatid ko, ng magulang ko, ng live-in ng kapatid ko. Parang wala namang follow up sa ganun. Na lang talaga ako, yung unang sinabi is nagalit. So, yun yung totoo. Natulpo. Alam nyo, tulpo, diba? So, pero, excuse me po ha. So, yung mga taong mga ganon-ganon na sabihin na hindi na daw sila manonood sa channel ko kasi hi baby, don't give me that look. Look at me. Hindi na daw sila manonood, unsubscribe na daw sila hindi ko rin alam kung nakasubscribe ka or ganun-ganun lang. Pero yung mga taong mga ganun guys, i-hide ko na lang sila kasi mga toxic sa life, mga pang pasira ng araw, diba? Yung mga ganun. Or paminsan pabayaan natin, pero naka-hide yung iba. Hide, naka-comment pa rin sila, nakapanood pa rin, pero walang nakakita sa mga ganun, diba? So, yun lang siya. So, yun lang yung update sa ganun. baka mali din ako na sinishare ko. Pero, ano bang life ko? Ano bang gagawin ko? Sinishare ko naman. Mag-ano na lang tayo, magluto-luto, magkain-kain, maglinis-linis, at manonood lang kayo. Hindi na lang ako magsasalita. Ganun ba gusto nyo? So, anyway, hindi ko baguhin yung style ko dahil sa may mga taong ayaw ako. Gusto kong maging ako-ako. Kung ano yung pinagsimulan ko dito sa YouTube, ito na lang talaga ako. Hindi ko na sila babaguhin. May binabago lang akong konti-konti, hinay-hinay, dahan-dahan. Kasi, alam kong masama din sa future, diba? Hindi natin alam, hanapin yung video sa, ganunin tayo, diba? Pero mga slight na mga lang, mga issue dito, it's normal na yan sa life. Yung mga taong mga ayaw sa atin, parang, feeling ko, ano bang life nila? Perfect ba yung life nila? Or hindi sila masaya? And then gusto nilang yung mga taong nakapaligid or mga taong sinubaybayan nila or mga taong gusto lang nilang hindi din masaya dahil hindi din sila masaya. Yun lang yung ko. Ito din yung mga sa mga tao, guys. Kung hindi nila ako gusto, okay, kung hindi nila ako gusto, bakit manood pa sila, diba? Bakit naman sirain nyo yung mood ninyo makita itong pagmumukha ko? Lalot na ngayon nakakurol na itong buhok ko. Huwag na kayong manood, diba? Kung ayaw niyo talaga. Kasi lalo na may pandemic pa, ma-stress lang kayo. I will see you later, guys. So, nakatapos na si Tami maligo. So, alis na kami. You're so cute. Oh, no, look at that, guys. He's doing laundry again.
I can't yet because you got clothes in there, and of course, you're gonna turn all your stuff inside out because it's always inside out.
This is such a good hobby. Eh? I said I will do that when it's full. Look at my underwear. Oh my God, Han.
Well, don't be putting your underwear on TV.
TV. Honey. Han, just leave it like that.
Everything
No,
goes out. I don't understand how you put everything inside out. You cannot take it off properly. What?
Han, can you just leave it alone? Can you just leave it alone?
I cannot.
I wash it myself. This is our fighting, guys. He like to do
Not
laundry.
I do the laundry because otherwise it does not getting done properly.
You know what, honey?
It's not getting done on time.
Properly. That means I'm not.
You wait for it to get done until like it's all over the place.
Han, I think I have more experience than you in washing.
No, you have more experience if you beat it on a stick.
Okay, guys, mag-return tayo ng yung in-order ni Tami sa Amazon. Kailangan lang siyang i-return kasi hindi siya mag-worky. Worky. Oh, they have a return. Oh, no postage stamp necessary. Look, they have a return thing here. You shouldn't be doing it. Look.
Yeah, but it's the same thing.
Tami ordered something and then it doesn't work. That's who he is. Sometimes, sometimes he gets a lot of orders and he doesn't use it or doesn't work. He doesn't know how to return. And outside, it's crazy windy. Like, it's crazy. Sabi ko, hindi na ako mag-drive. Si Tami na. Sabi ko, naisip ko, ay, ako na pala. Kasi para siya na yung maghatid ng idadrop niya. Kasi ayaw kong Kasi ayaw kong mag-drop. Siya yung mag-drop, no? Siya yung may kasalanan, hindi ako. Charot. Okay, I'll carry this. I'll be in the car, okay? Never wanna go.
Because that's not.
Hurry up, I'll be in the car. Uutot daw muna siya, guys. Also, yung couch na isa, yung chair na isa, andyan pa o sa car ni Tami. Hindi pa namin nahakot, nadala sa loob. No, but they have to know which one they have to blank. Because now they're gonna be which one.
I don't know which one I have to blank.
I know, but when you have to do it. Did you do that?
Got the phone, so. Well, which one do you want to cover? You want to cover the one that's a piece. Well, that gets there in 2 to 3 days, and the other one gets there in 4 to 5 days. I see. Stick with the one that Amazon sent, even though it takes longer, because if I gotta track it, if something goes wrong, and I gotta track it. I can't track the other one in the computer.
Go home.
CVS.
No.
Go to CVS. I gotta check them if they do this anyway.
No, we're going home.
Hon, CVS, or get out of this driver's seat and I'll drive.
No, we're going home.
I'll drive. I need to go there and check this anyway.
Let's go home.
For what?
No one feels bad for me. It's always poor me.
Do this.
You know what? That's Roxy. Yeah.
That don't even work out there anymore.
What are you really like looking for to CVS?
Whether they do the physical.
Why is it CVS anyway?
Well, because since my regular doctor stopped doing it.
I-try natin to. Ito, LV, oh. $4 lang ito, oh. Anti-brushing, anti-fade, UV filler. And that one is what filler?
You got the shampoo?
This one, anti-brushing.
Is it the shampoo and the conditioner or just the shampoo?
The shampoo and the conditioner. Hello! So ngayon, nagagawa lang tayo ng, andito na kami guys. Ito yung nabili ko, L'Oreal na Everpure na shampoo, conditioner. May instruction ba ito? Hindi ko alam kung merong instruction kasi sabi ng iba, mag-instruction and then i-leave nila yung It doesn't tell you. Not like the other guys, yung nakita ko sa YouTube na mga ganito na gumagamit ng purple shampoo. Alam nyo ba yung iba is like 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, ganon. Pero ito siya, itong L'Oreal iba, pero maghanap pa ako ng ibang guys, ng ibang purple shampoo kasi gusto ko yung may nakita ako sa YouTube, kailangan ko lang tapusin, hindi ko kasi makita-kita hindi ko matapos-tapos kasi nagdadrive ako. And then wala akong choice, kailangan kong maligo. So hindi pa rin ako maligo bukas. The next day maligo tayo. So ngayon gagawa lang ako ng garlic bread bago masira ito. And then itong eggplant. Ay grabe katugnaw guys. Nagkumuha ako ng parsley sa labas. Grabe yung ginaw, hindi makaya sa power. Ito yung parsley na kinuha ko. And, ang dami pa dun guys, scallion. Ang dami pang scallion. Hindi ko pa, kinuha ko yung iba. Para naman kinuha ko yung iba. Yan, hugasan natin ito para sa garlic bread. Garlic bread it is. Sorry guys, ipakita ko sa inyo ito. Ito na siya. Diba nilagay natin siya for 10 minutes. Doon siya inalok. Hindi pa yan tapos. Sobrang soft niya. Parmesan. Lagyan natin siya nun. Yun. Wala tayong parmesan cheese na grated parmesan. Ito yung ilagay natin. Okay? Bantay-bantayan na lang ninyo guys. Kaya na lang bantay-bantay. Hello guys! So ngayon, dito na yung okra. And then yung atsal na hinarvest natin sa garden na hindi ko nagagamit. Garlic. Luto lang tayo. Tapos na si garlic bread. Yung bin bag, nilagay namin dito yung bin bag, guys. Ayusin ko lang yan. At i-close natin itong... Mahirapan lang ako dito, guys, kasi nasa ano talaga siya, oh. Nasa corner talaga. Mahirap. Dito ako matulog. Dito tayo matulog kapag ano. Diba? So, ngayon, ayusin ko lang siya kasi parang tagilid eh. Balik ko ito. Dami kong mga labahan. Blanket. Gamit-gamit namin dito. Kasi palagi, nasa living room kasi kami palagi eh. So, palagi naming inaano siya. Ginagamit. Gumagamit kami ng blanket. Every time. Doon sa living room kasi, you know, komportable. Hi guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Hello baby. Yeah, come on. Let's end the vlog.
Hi guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Bye, I'm ending the vlog. Bye. End the vlog. Bye.
Do you like my hair?
Yes. It's
You get used to it now?
It's very blondie.
You get used to it now?
I was used to the day you came home with it. Yes, seriously. Maryann, you're not a different person. It's just your hair color.
Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Mag-wash lang ako ng face para i-face ng wash. Para kunin natin itong mga bururot. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.